Well, hello there. What's goody, baby? Hey, y'all. Welcome and welcome back. I am your girl, African Radiance, but you can call me Jazz. Right now, it is like in the middle of the evening, and me, my sister, and my best friend decided we wanted to go shopping today. So today is gonna be a day of shopping. All right, they be walking so heavy for no reason. I'm so ready to get up out of here. No, I did that. On purpose.
I feel like that's the one that came down here and complained.
It is gonna work anymore. Moving forward, what's better for you than me? Is this okay? I'm finally at the house. I got on this dingy jacket. I wanted to do like a cute little jacket with the fit. Try my belly out, honey. What I'm trying to figure out is, why is this jacket so dingy? This ain't mine. This gotta be different. Fit chat. We about to go to the stores because they about to darn their clothes. Where is Rihanna? I know y'all didn't put my good sis back here. Not in the back of the bus. Where's she at? She must be up here. Oh, there she go. Cause I was about to say, absolutely not.
This, huh?
No, they don't have the
This,
mini
my color
bottles.
is 57G.
This is the powder. Ooh, excuse my nails. I don't really know what I'm allowed to use. I guess I'm the one that spent the most. I spent 58.
Yeah, always. $43.
Five and below. They got cute little nails in here. I definitely would be coming here to get house stuff. Friendly stuff like little plants and stuff like that. Hey y'all, we about to eat. Ooh. Ooh, I'm so excited about this food. Back again. But I ain't been to BJ's in such a long time. Ooh, I'm just so excited. Does it look like they upgraded their own menu?
Yeah, it's like they changed stuff.
Yeah.
Cause this wasn't there. This damn show was New Orleans jambalaya.
I cooked jambalaya the other day. I don't want that now. I want to do the jumbo spaghetti and meatballs.
Okay.
And with a wedge salad.
God damn.
Try to throw the salad.
It's good, y'all.
In Burlington.
And I
Look at
know
the
what you're
little
talking about.
squaw baby. Look at the little squaw baby shoes. Oh, and they only $5. Cute little strawberry. Oh, we're definitely gonna need one of these for the car. Oh, she would take some pretty pictures in
That's
these.
so cute.
Cause I want to get her some. Pictures taken. This is like the cutest thing ever. I don't want my baby in all that pink. That's the only thing. I can't. Is this too much pink for me? I can't do it. Y'all adventure on some different colors. Go brown, yellow. I love a good yellow, purple. Really soon, it's gonna be house hunting, house shopping. So cute. Is she only $10? Oh no, I like this vest. This is something I think I'm gonna put on our own dining table. Well, this will be some because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be here by the time I come back. Cause I don't want to house shop for anything too early. Let me see, honey. They are like running low. I think they finna get ready to restock. But look at this purse. This is Guess, honey. She is cute. She is elegant. She is $45. That's not bad for a Guess bag, if you ask me. Oh, this would be cute for my princess. Oh, this is cute. Little jewelry box. I'm definitely gonna have a bunch of these. Oh, this is only $4.99. I'm gonna look around some more and then head home because baby, my body is aching. And I'll show you guys what I got then. Okay, y'all. I got the goods. Give me some H2O. Thirsty. Oh, yeah, buddy. All right. So, I'll do 5 and below. This was really just like a little chill, little shopping day. Just like, you know, splurging on myself with just buying stuff, whatever I want to buy. But I didn't really get anything from 5 and below like I wanted to, but it's okay. But I got me some ruffles, some plain original ruffles with some smooth ranch dip, honey. Then I also got these cute little rings. They're rose gold. They're cute. Ooh, child, ignore my nails. I was working on something and then I quit and gave up and it looked a hot mess. But yeah, they're cute. Something simple. I'm gonna start buying real jewelry real soon because I'm tired of buying fake jewelry over and over again. But like, I rarely wear jewelry, but I'm still gonna end up getting some more. It's this regular old little set right here, and I really got this for like a one night thing. It was only $5, so it's like, child, I got 2 things from Burlington, child. Don't mind me. I got lucky and found this what is it? Elf milk. This Elf mint milk lip plumping gloss. And this was $2.99, so you know I had to get it. Like, I love me a good Elf, but I love this color. I kind of already knew this color was gonna give what I needed it to give, so you know. Oh, it smells so good. It doesn't really smell minty. Hold on. Let me go again. I smell a hint of mint. I can't really tell, to be honest. I don't want to swatch it or nothing. I guess I can swatch it on this chocolate skin. It's gonna compliment me like really well. That is not a bird, that's a finger cross, and they messed it up, but yeah. It's like this soft, it's like this nude brown, but like a peachy undertone, so yeah. And then I saw these. Look at these. These are so cute. They're for my little baby. They're for my mama. These are so cute, and I love how they came in a set of 3s. I don't want her to have too much pink, but it is what it's gonna be. I really loved the gold and white ones the most, but I will say these are kind of cute. But I like how these got like that little ballerina vibe, or it's like, yeah, like the little ballerina vibe going on. Yeah. And these was only $6.99, $7, so you know I was gonna pick them up. But I got the Fit Me. Is this the light medium? Do I already have this one? I love this powder. It's pretty good for me. If I already have this one, I'm taking it back. And I also got the Fit Me foundation, matte on poreless foundation in shade 338. I'm not entirely sure if she's gonna match me, but I'm a good finesser. And I also got this elf the camel concealer. I never tried this one before, but you know, I hear like this concealer is pretty good and it's supposed to be full coverage. And what shade is this one in? Beige medium. Medium beige, I mean. Then I got this CeraVe moisturizing cream right here. I just really wanted to try it out before I got like a big bottle, because I want to know what it's gonna give. It's for normal to dry skin, so it better be nice. It better be real nice. Then I finally got the elf poreless primer. Is that no? The Power Grip primer. Took me forever in a day. Like every time I go into the store, Walmart, Target, anywhere, they don't never be having it. But Ulta had it. They had the pink one, but I was like, I'll wait to get that one. I want to try this one out first. I know it's gonna do what I needed to do. Everybody says it's like such a good primer. I thought it would have been a little more thicker than this. Like it feels, shit, I can't talk. It feels real loose. And lastly, I got the Morphe Mini Continuous Spray. This used to be my favorite spray. I haven't used this in such a long time. That's pretty much it. Just this stuff. This was like $60. And like in a way, it's just like, oh, that's something, but I don't know. I'm gonna do some more shopping. I don't know if I'm gonna get that footage or not. But right now, I'm finna snatch this wig off. I'm tired. Girl. Be easy, boo.